Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken fly zipper. First, check if any fabric is caught in the zipper's path. Carefully remove it. If the slider is stiff, try rubbing a graphite pencil or a small amount of lubricant like soap along the teeth. Then, gently work the slider up and down a few times to loosen it. This often resolves minor sticking issues quickly. If the zipper teeth have separated, move the slider all the way to the bottom. Pinch the fabric on both sides of the zipper firmly, just below the slider. While maintaining this tension, slowly pull the slider upwards. This action helps the teeth realign and interlock properly. Sometimes it takes 1 or 2 tries to get it right. When the slider itself is broken, you will need a replacement. Use needle nose pliers to carefully remove the old slider. Slightly open the new slider with the pliers, just enough to fit it onto the zipper teeth at the bottom. Once in place, gently crimp the new slider with the pliers to secure it, ensuring it moves smoothly. After any repair, always check the top and bottom zipper stops. If a metal stop is loose, use pliers to gently crimp it back into place. For missing stops, you can sew a few strong stitches across the zipper tape to create a new, secure fabric stop. This prevents the slider from coming off the track again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.